Morning everyone, my name is White Riskanto and today I will talk about promoting the cultural heritage of Indonesia. The Javanese culture, Indonesia is a country with traditions, language, and arts. Among its many unique cultures, Javanese culture stands out for its beauty, philosophy, and harmony. As a part of the Javanese community, I am proud to share some of its treasure from food, clothing, and music to the value that guide our daily lives. Let's start with Javanese food. Javanese cuisine has a distinctive flavor that tends to be sweet and savory. Because most Javanese people love sweet taste, we can find this in many traditional dishes such as gudeg, rawon, pecel, tempe bacem, and many others. Each dish represents a different region and tells its own story. For example, gudeg from Yogyakarta is famous for its soft sweetness, cooked slowly with young jackfruit and coconut milk until it turns brown. Rawon from East Java, on the other hand, has a dark broth made from kluwek and a rich, savory taste full of spice. Meanwhile, pecel from Madiun is known for its delicious peanut sauce, a perfect mix of sweet, spicy, and fresh when eaten with boiled vegetable. Beyond taste, every Japanese dish reflects passion, warmth, and together. The slow cooking process, like in gudeg, teaches us that good things take time and dedication. Even when serving food, Japanese people value politeness and sharing because eating is not just about filling the stomach, but also about strengthening relationship. So tough food, we can feel not only the flavor but also the soul and character of Japanese people, full of kindness, calms, and sincerity. Next, let's move to traditional clothing, batik. Batik is one of most famous symbols of Japanese culture. It's not a piece of cloth; it's masterpiece that carries deep philosophy. Each motif has meaning. For instance, the parang pattern represents bravery and strength, while kawung symbolizes purity and honesty. Today, batik is proudly worn by all generations, from formal occasion to everyday fashion. Many young designers have modernized batik styles, combining tradition with creativity. When we wear batik, we are not only wearing fabric but also wearing of cultural identity with pride. Now, let's talk about Javanese song and music. Music is one the easiest ways to promote our culture. In the past, people enjoyed traditional songs like tembang makap or gamelan musik. But today, many young artists bring Javanese vibes into modern songs. For example, Didi Caknan, who combines the Javanese language with pop and dangdut styles. His songs like Kartoyono Menurut Janji and Satrud 2 are very popular among young people. Tough the songs, we can see that Javanese music continues to grow. It doesn't stay old-fashioned but evolves with time. It shows that being traditional doesn't mean being outdated. Instead, it means keeping our roots while expressing ourselves in modern ways. But culture is not only about what we eat, wear, or listen to. Japanese culture also teach us about manners and value. The Japanese saying "anjining diri sakai lati" means one's honor comes from their words. It reminds you to always speak kindly and respectful. The value of politeness and humility is one the most important parts of Japanese identity and something we should continue to practice and promote. So, how can promote Japanese culture today? It's simple. Start from ourselves. Wear batik proudly, enjoy Japanese food, share Japanese songs in social media, and speak politely to others. We can also create creative content like short videos, TikToks, or digital art that shows the beauty Japanese culture to the world. Inclusion, Japanese culture is not something old or forget. It's a living identity full wisdom, beauty, and inspiration. Let's be proud to be Japanese, proud to be Indonesia, and proud to keep our cultural heritage alive for the next generation. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.